The Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting and talked about action cameras in recent memory. Early leaks and insider hints are painting a picture of a device that aims to push boundaries rather than simply polish what came before. Many creators, filmmakers, and tech enthusiasts are already buzzing with anticipation because this model seems to be built for those who want more power, more intelligence, and more creative possibilities in a compact form. With the Ace Pro 2 already proving Insta360's capability to innovate, the next generation appears positioned to take that momentum even further, especially with Insta360's renewed collaboration with Leica adding even more credibility to the expected upgrades. If these rumors hold any truth, the Ace Pro 3 might not just be another action camera. It could redefine what creators expect from portable filmmaking tools. And here at Technify, we'll break down everything we know so far. What makes the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 truly stand out in early leaks is its rumored shift toward a far more powerful AI-driven core. With talk of a new AAA processor replacing the previous dual-chip system, this upgrade could unlock a range of intelligent features that dramatically change how creators shoot and edit. Real-time video enhancement, advanced object recognition, scene optimization, and even automated on-device editing are all possibilities. With this kind of processor, the camera could essentially become a smart production assistant that helps refine footage the moment it's captured. It suggests a future where creators spend less time adjusting settings and more time focusing on the moment itself. The sensor improvements are also capturing major attention. Rumors point to a significantly larger and more advanced sensor capable of delivering remarkably sharp visuals, richer detail, and improved low-light performance. This upgrade could especially benefit nighttime shooting, action scenes, and dynamic environments where clarity and color accuracy matter most. With a more capable sensor, the Ace Pro may offer smoother gradients, less noise, and more cinematic depth, giving filmmakers new creative latitude even in challenging conditions. One of the most exciting potential upgrades is the introduction of extremely high-resolution recording modes. There's speculation about the camera supporting ultra-detailed capture capabilities that would allow creators to crop, reframe, stabilize, and edit with incredible flexibility. Combined with upgraded compression, improved color science, and a wider dynamic range, footage from the Ace Pro may look more lifelike than ever before. It could also give travel vloggers, action enthusiasts, and content creators the ability to produce professional-grade visuals straight from a compact camera. Autofocus is another area where the Ace Pro may leap forward. The rumored AI hybrid autofocus system is expected to include features like predictive tracking, eye detection, subject locking, and extremely fast focus acquisition even in low light. This means moving subjects, fast-paced scenes, and unpredictable environments could be captured with much greater confidence and consistency. Stabilization technology is also rumored to receive a major upgrade. The new multi-axis system, enhanced with predictive AI, could offer smoother-than-ever results, possibly reaching gimbal-like levels without the need for extra equipment. For creators who shoot while running, biking, hiking, or filming energetic action scenes, this would be a massive advantage. The design may also see refinements, including a larger touchscreen for easier navigation, better ergonomics for comfort during long shoots, and an expanded accessory ecosystem. New magnetic mounts could make switching between filming setups more intuitive and flexible. Improved battery efficiency and smarter power management may also help creators record longer without interruptions. Altogether, these rumored features paint a compelling picture of a camera designed to push creative boundaries and offer versatility for filmmakers, adventurers, vloggers, and travelers alike. And that wraps up this in-depth look at the early leaks and expectations surrounding the Insta360 Ace Pro 3. If even half of these rumored upgrades turn out to be true, this camera could become a major game-changer for creators everywhere, delivering smarter features, better visuals, and more filmmaking freedom than ever before. Here at Technify, we'll continue keeping you updated as new leaks, insights, and details surface, because this is shaping up to be one of the most significant releases in the world of action cameras. Whether you're a filmmaker pushing your creative limits, an adventurer capturing unforgettable moments, or a traveler documenting your journey, the Ace Pro 3 might just become the ultimate companion for your storytelling. Stay tuned to Technify for more breakdowns, updates, and future coverage as we follow this exciting new chapter in action camera innovation.